MN Nagbhushan Rao sir and my dear student Rishita. Very
Good
good
morning.
morning. I would like to explain our MTech thesis title is Advancements in Network Theory Integrating Machine Learning and AI and Error Coding Codes to Enhance Communication Reliability and Protect Internet of Things Networks. I guess, can you justify your title, Rishita? Do you have any idea right now? Please.
Uh, yes, sir.
Yeah. Can you justify your title? What we are doing? Can I explain to you?
yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is meant by network security? Please tell me. Network security is a one of the type in security like data security, network security, host security. Especially
Yes,
in a cloud environment, we
yes,
are
sir.
performing network security is a one type. There we are communicating with any kind of data communication theory. We are integrating with machine learning. What is meant by machine learning? Learning from the observational data with the help of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning techniques we are applying. Then we are integrating with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is nothing but intelligent behavior in a machine like a robot. The science and engineering to develop a intelligent kind of based applications in order to remove error correcting codes to enhance communication reliability and protect IoT networks. This is about your title of the MTech thesis. Rishita, can you repeat what I have explained?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Can you please?
Network security will be integrating using machine learning. In machine learning, we have supervised and unsupervised data,
Yes.
and
Perfect.
and
Ah.
in artificial intelligence and error correcting code to enhance communication reliability and
Ah.
protect IoT networks, sir.
Perfect. 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 So now I think you are familiar with all jargon of IT. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah, this is Rishita. I would like to explain my MTech thesis project contents like abstract, introduction, literature review, proposed system and methodology, experimental setup and evaluation, results and discussion. So, what is the conclusion and future research directions and references and acknowledgement? These are my contents of my MTech thesis presentation. So let me justify my abstract. So this research enhances network security. Network security is a one of the type in cloud security like data security and host security. Network security is nothing but collection of interconnected systems in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network. So we are writing Python code for security for increasing in the level of network security and communication reliability by integrating. We are leveraging to machine learning like learning from the observational data. We are applying classification techniques, clustering techniques, association rule mining techniques, and also we are using deep learning techniques like CNN, RNN, LSTM. Deep learning is nothing but learning from the observational data. It is an extension of machine learning technique. And we are using error correcting codes. Once any error occurred in our program or software, we are automatically applying error correcting codes with a focus on safeguarding internet of networks. What is IoT? IoT is a collection of real-time objects in a network. Maybe it is a local area network, wide area network and a metropolitan area network. Then we are addressing key challenges like issues and drawbacks of my existing system having ineffective feature extraction. Yes, because of a data set and a constrained optimization and inadequate attack detection using advanced optimization techniques like adaptive particle swarm optimization and convolutional neural networks. There are plenty of drawbacks I have listed. In order to avoid those drawbacks, we are going for proposed techniques like convolutional neural networks. By leveraging is nothing but by integrating multi-objective optimization and network coding, the study provides comprehensive solutions for intrusion detection and secure communication, paving the way for future advancements in Internet of Things security and code theory. So our problem facing so many issues. In order to avoid those issues in existing system, we are using network security and communication reliability by integrating machine learning, artificial intelligence, and error coding, that is ECC, to improve instructions and safeguard IoT networks. Okay, so
Yes.
what is meant by machine learning? Rishita, can you give answer for this question, Rishita?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
Machine learning means we are able to understand the we no no system should understand the language, no sir, in the
Perfect.
between of human and the system.
Yes,
Machine learning helps to understand the.
correct. So machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data, and we are using various techniques like machine learning and artificial intelligence and error correcting codes to improve intrusion detection and safeguard IoT networks. The proposed system leverages optimization algorithms and deep learning models to address existing security limitations and achieve higher accuracy, efficiency, feature selection, and secure transformation. You need to understand what is meant by there are so many learning models we are using, Rishita.
Yes, sir.
So in that learning models we are using in order to solve existing problems like address like higher accuracy we are not getting in existing system, and efficient feature selection we are unable to do in existing system, and secure data transmission we are not unable to do in existing system. That's why we are going for proposed system. So the proposed system uses integration of various models like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and deep learning. Rishita, three
Yes, sir.
major concepts like machine learning, deep
Yes, sir.
learning, and artificial intelligence. Keep in mind, machine
Okay.
learning says that learning from the observational data with the help of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, we are solving the problems like
Yes.
classification, clustering, association, rule mining, outlier detection, etc. What about deep learning? Deep learning is an extension of machine learning, and we are increasing the n number of input and hidden layers like activation functions and fine tuning parameters we are using in the deep learning techniques. Then
Yes, sir.
we are using artificial intelligence techniques. What is meant by artificial intelligence? Intelligent behavior in a machine, like science and engineering to develop intelligent kind of based applications. Rishita, are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Then what are the challenges we are avoiding in existing system like higher accuracy, improved classification, and strong protection, making modern networks more resilient to cyber threats. These are the advantages of integration of our proposed method. Drawbacks like higher accuracy means less accuracy. Improved classification means less improved classification, and stronger data protection means less data protection, making modern networks more resilient to cyber threats. That's why we are choosing a proposed technique. This research not only address current cyber security challenges. What are the cyber security challenges, Rishita? Do you have any idea in cloud computing environment how cyber security challenges faces problems? There
No,
are,
sir.
yeah. What are the plenty of problems in cyber security challenges? Less
Sir,
security. Ah,
your voice is breaking down, sir.
oh, no. I am using so much voice for my. 1 second. Let me check. Now my voice is clear, Rishita.
Yes, sir.
Then why? I have given a full volume. It's okay. Now my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
So there are plenty of drawbacks we are avoiding with the help of proposed technique. So with the help of this research, we are not only address current cyber security challenges, but also lays the foundation for future innovations and enabling secure and efficient communication in evolving IoT and network environments. That's why we are using the integration means leveraging of mission deep and AI techniques. These are the keywords I have identified for my MTech thesis, like network security, machine learning. 1 second. After machine learning, you need to give space. Artificial intelligence, keyword. Then error correcting code. Rishita, are you checking right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, after this presentation, I am going to share with this presentation. You need to explain in front of me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Once
Yes, sir.
completed. Then error correcting codes like ECCS, Intrusion Detection System, that is called IDS, IoT security, Internet of Things security, optimization algorithms we are using like particle swarm optimization and networking coding. So these are the 8 major drawbacks we have identified in our proposal system. Okay, what is meant by introduction of communication coding theory? Like the rapid advancements in network communications and Internet of Things technologies have revolutionized industries, enabling seamless connectivity and real-time data exchange or community. A data exchange means we are sending data from one system to another system and one server to another server, or one data center to another data center.
Yes.
With the exceptional growth of IoT devices, what is meant by IoT? How you can define, Rishita? Can you answer
Yes,
to
sir.
my question? IoT. Can you define?
IoT, Internet of Things, sir.
Yes.
Using the sensors or LAN networks.
Perfect. So, Internet of Things is nothing but Internet of Things is a collection of real-time objects in a network.
Yes,
Network
sir.
may be collection of interconnected systems like local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network. With the exceptional growth of IoT devices, cybersecurity threats such as DDoS, attacks and unauthorized access and data breaches have become more sophisticated and widespread. Then with the rapid expression of IoT networks, cyber threats have become more sophisticated, making traditional security methods and inadequate. This study proposes an AI driven security framework that enables threat detection, network resilience, and communication reliability. Then coming to the general scenario of Internet of Things system. Rishita,
sir.
what is meant by Internet of Things? Internet of Things is a collection of interconnected in a real-time system with
Yes.
devices. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, keep in mind tablet is a device, mobile is a device, router is a device, storage is a server is a device, firewall, attacks, user, PC, personal computer, laptop, compare, gamepad, email. Email is nothing but electronic mails, users, social media. Now, my question is, so the general representation of IoT systems. We have n number of IoT systems and it
Yes.
uses generalization, general representation of an IoT system. This figure illustrates the core components and the connectivity of IoT devices, including sensors, networks, cloud processing, and security mechanisms, ensuring seamless and data transmission and automation. So this is about the network. The traditional security may not solve all the problems. Likewise, we are using firewalls and signature based intrusion detection systems are often inadequate in detecting evolving cyber security threats, leading to vulnerabilities in modern networks. To enhance security and communication reliability, this research integrates artificial intelligence, machine learning, and error correcting codes like ECC, and providing proactive and adaptive defense mechanisms for IoT environment. That's why we are going for objective methods so that we are avoiding those drawbacks in the proposal system. Coming to
Yes.
objectives of the study. How many objectives I have identified? Four objectives. There are four objectives. The names of the four objectives like enhance intrusion detection system, that is called IDS, and improve data integrity and communication reliability using error correcting codes, that is called ECCS, such as
Yes.
read Solomon and turbo codes to prevent data loss and corruption in a network transmission. What about develop adaptive security frameworks that utilizes multi-objective optimization and deep learning models to detect, predict, and mitigate emerging cyber threats in IoT networks. This is about the third objective. And the fourth
Yes.
objective is nothing but optimize network coding techniques like by integrating machine learning. Machine learning, whenever it comes, you need to say the definition like this, Rishita.
Yes, sir.
Machine learning is a learning from the observational data with the help of n number of tools and techniques to make a fantastic model to solve real time applications by integrating machine learning based strategies to enhance multicast and operative cooperative communications, ensuring secure and efficient data transfer. This is about the four objectives of objectives of the proposed system. What is
Yes, sir.
meant by literature survey? We have collected nearly 10 to 15 base papers of our topic, and these drawbacks highlights the limitations of a conventional intrusion detection system, the role of AI in cyber security, and the effectiveness of error correcting codes in ensuring data integrity. However, there is a research gap in integrating machine learning and error correcting codes and multi objective optimization for a comprehensive security approach. Then, coming to literature survey, I have collected nearly 10 papers of closely related data, data related to literature survey papers. I have created a table with the columns like author first name, then followed by the common attributes, common drawbacks, then what is the existing system of existing system of your model. Proposed system means we are integrating with anyone framework like Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, etc. Then coming to data sets where we are downloading predefined data sets from www dot three types of data sets we are downloading. First data set and second data set and third one is we are collecting the real time data for answering uh, the related authors. So here we are using our MTech theory process. We are using author name, common drawbacks we have identified in 10 research papers, existing system, proposed system and data sets we have selected from various reputed repositories like Kaggle, GitHub and UCI repositories. And what are the tools and techniques it is using, and what about future technique. So future work based on this information we have chosen the proposed method. Then leveraging error correcting codes in network security. That means we are integrating with a number of techniques and finding the ensures reliable communication and types like block codes like read Solomon, BCH harming, convolutional turbo, LDPC codes, etc. Then what are the applications we are solving, Rishita? Are you
Yes, sir.
understanding?
Yes, sir. Understanding, sir.
Yeah, please tell me what are the applications we are solving in this your MTech project?
It's
IoT?
IoT,
Ah,
wireless network,
ah.
satellite communication,
Hmm.
cryptographic security.
Perfect, perfect. So these are the applications we are solving in this proposed technique. Then what about machine learning for network security? How can you define machine learning, Rishita?
Yes, sir. Learning of observation data
Perfect.
using real-time data
Mm.
in a supervised and unsupervised.
And reinforcement learning. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir.
CNN means convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks. Applications like intrusion detection, threat prediction, automated defense, AI driven real time anomaly detection. Then securing IoT networks like large attack surface, resource constraints, lack of security protocols. These are the challenges we have identified in our existing system like AI driven threat detection, blockchain based security, and error correcting codes for secure data transmission. These are the IoT network systems and case studies and applications like AI based intrusion detection in IoT, artificial intelligence based intrusion detection in IoT, and machine learning enhanced security in cloud computing. So you have explained
Yes, sir.
um, machine learning definition. We are increasing security in cloud computing, error correcting codes in satellite and 5G communications, and here we are using our proposed model. Comparative analysis of traditional versus AI driven security. Then what is meant by existing system?
Yes,
Rishita?
yes, sir.
Yeah, can you pre?
The current network security frameworks
Yes,
primarily rely on traditional intrusion detection system, that is
yes.
IDS, cryptographic techniques and basic error correcting codes. which often fail to adapt to involving cyber threats and efficiently handle large scale IoT networks.
Perfect. Then what is meant by IDS?
Intrusion detection system, sir.
Perfect. That means unknown person entering into our network. What sort of network threats and network vulnerabilities happening in this environment? What are the cryptographic techniques, Rishita?
Yes, sir.
There are plenty of cryptographic techniques we are using like DES, AES, belief logic, etc. Okay, and the
Yes, sir.
basic error correcting codes we are using, which often fail to adapt to evolving cyber threats and efficiently handle large scale IoT networks. So, what are the drawbacks we have identified? Poor detection of innovative attacks and ineffective feature extraction and limited optimization. These are the drawbacks, like poor detection of innovative attacks. We have plenty of attacks are available, and ineffective feature extraction and limited optimization in existing system. In order to avoid the drawbacks of existing system, we are using proposed system called AI driven security framework that integrates ML, deep learning and error correcting codes to enhance intrusion detection, feature extraction and network optimization for secure and reliable IoT communications. Okay,
Yes.
so we have identified three the best advantages by using proposed technique like enhanced intrusion detection accuracy, optimized feature selection and data processing, improved network security and reliability. These are the advantages we are achieving. Now, if you see the proposed system, AI driven secure network framework with error correcting codes for reliable IoT communication. What we are doing? We are taking as input data IoT network traffic, then we are extracting feature extraction and selection, then we are performing machine learning models like AI deep learning, then we are performing error correcting codes ECCS, then optimization network security, intrusion detection and test 3 threat analysis, then secure and reliable communication. So this is
Yes.
about AI driven secure network framework with error correcting codes for reliable internet of things communication. Rishita, are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Understanding, sir.
Yeah, you need to explain after my presentation, okay?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So, by using proposed architecture is nothing but a structure which comprises the software and hardware components and connections among them. How this artificial intelligence driven secure network framework with error correcting codes for reliable Internet of Things communication. We are using AI based reacting agent and a security orchestra, then virtual network fold like IBC. So many techniques we are using in this one. Then experimental setup and evaluation like where performance is measured using accuracy, less repudiation, false positive rates and feature optimization. The experimental results show a significant improvement in detection accuracy, and you can call it as a from 51.05 to 58.69 and optimized model efficiency. So this is the data set, synthetic data set we have created, and what are the machine learning improves intrusion detection accuracy with help of proposed performance evaluation, and ECCs enhances the data integrity in IoT networks. AI driven security outperforms traditional models. Then this is the execution flow of a proposed system and uses a number of iterations, minimum 20 iterations, where we are finding time complexity, accuracy, loss, value accuracy, value loss. So many things we are explaining. What about the diagram model accuracy versus model loss for proposed system? Rishita, are you understanding?
Yes, sir. Understanding, sir.
Yeah, please tell me now. Very interesting question. What is your existing system
What What is my existing system?
of your MTech proposed system? Sir, my MTech proposed system is I have
Intrusion.
yeah, tell me. Any idea?
Intrusion detection accuracy.
Perfect. That is perfect answer. Intrusion detection system database. So
Okay.
we are collecting that database from the supervisor learning. Okay. Sometimes
Yes.
we are using classification, clustering, association, remaining, outer detection. These are the various techniques of that existing system. So what we are doing in this model accuracy, we are comparing with existing system and proposed system in terms of model loss. We are demonstrating the enhanced performance and efficiency of the proposed AI based security framework. So, in x-axis we are taking epochs and y-axis we are taking accuracy and loss. Finally, we are merging with the database called figure model accuracy versus model loss for proposed system. Next, what are the results and discussion of my MTech thesis with the supervision of anyone, one or two supervisors? Rishita?
Two, sir.
Very good. Two, you need to respect and you need to obey their instructions also. Finding the confirm that AI driven intrusion detection models combined with the ECCs significantly enhance network security. The system outperforms traditional approaches by reducing training loss like 80% and improving classification accuracy and increasing overall robustness. So this is the graph we have taken x-axis epochs and y-axis we have taken performance metrics like model accuracy, model loss, and various convergence rate over multiple multi-learning concepts. I mean highlighting the effectiveness of the proposed model in network security applications. So here you can find the performance model. Then the comparison of existing and the proposed network security system, we are taking very important parameters like accuracy and final training loss, validation loss, time complexity, epochs, interpretability, convergence of speed, overfitting risks, robustness, centralization. These are the drawbacks I have identified that proposal. Then conclusion, this research demonstrated significant improvements in network security by integrating machine learning, ML, artificial neural networks, and error correcting codes. Then they are accepting better leading efficiency and reduced time complexity. Future research should be focused on optimizing AI algorithms, AI driven security models like exploring quantum resistant algorithms and leveraging emerging technologies like blockchain and edge computing to enhance real time network protection and scalability. The study of introduction multi-layer security framework integrates AI and ECCI date of birth. For reliable IoT communication, you need to tell like a future research will focus on
Algorithms.
yeah, These are the drawbacks of existing, and we are providing prototype techniques. These are the references of so many techniques. Any doubts, Rishita?
No, sir.
Can you explain now?
Yes, sir.
Because we have completed our presentation. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so these are the references. Wait, let me justify. So these are the references, and now I am preparing a literature survey table. Okay, now explain
Yes.
it. Rishita,
Yes.
now your turn.
Uh, good morning. My
Good morning.
topic is about advancement in network security and code theory, integrating machine learning, AI, and error correcting codes to enhance communication reliability and protect IoT networks.
Perfect. Can you justify your title?
Yes, sir. Uh, it integrates machine learning
Ah,
using supervised and unsupervised data and artificial intelligence for knowing for correcting the codes
perfect. Your answer
and
is quite correct. Now tell me contents of your project.
abstract, introduction, literature review, proposed system and methodology, experimental setup and evaluation, results and discussion, conclusion and future research directions, and reference and acknowledgements.
Perfect. What about abstract? Can you explain?
Yes, sir. Abstract. My abstract is about this research enhances network security and communication reliability using integrate machine learning, deep learning, ECC, which focuses on safeguarding IoT networks, and it also addresses key challenges like effective features, extraction, constrained optimization, and inadequate attack detection using advanced optimization
Class
techniques
from
like
around I'm
adaptive
in class.
particle swarm optimization and convolutional neural networks, and also multiple objective optimization and network coding to study com- comprehensive solutions for intrusion detection and secure communication for future advancement in IoT net security and code theory.
Perfect, perfect. Then,
Uh, this research enhances network security and communication reliability by integrating machine learning, artificial intelligence, and ECC code to improve intrusion detection and safeguard IoT networks. Uh, and the project and it is proposed a system by optimization algorithms and deep learning models to address existing security limitations and achieve higher accuracy, efficient future selection, and secure data transmission.
perfect. Then coming to.
Uh, the integration of AI is driven from modern and error correcting codes, ensuring high accuracy. High means less accuracy. Improved classification means less classification and strong data protection, making modern networks more resilient to cyber threats. This research not only address current cybersecurity challenges but also the foundation for future innovation, enabling security and efficient communication involving IoT and network environment. Uh, my thesis consists of some keywords like network security, machine learning, artificial intelligence, error correcting codes, intrusion detection, IoT security, optimization algorithms, and network coding.
Perfect. Then coming to introduction.
Introduction. The rapid advancement in network communication, that is IoT technologies, have revolutionized industries, enabling seamless connectivity and real-time data exchange. With the exponential growth of IoT devices, cybersecurity threats like DDoS attacks, unauthorized access, and data breaches have become more sophisticated and widespread.
Perfect. Next.
With the rapid expansion of IoT, cyber threats have become more sophisticated, making traditional security methods inadequate. To study purpose proposes this study proposes a AI driven security framework that enhance threat detection, network reliance and communication reliability.
Perfect. Next.
This is the diagram of IoT system, the representation of IoT system, uh, how we use the network in our daily life or we see it. This is the representation. Should I explain it fully, sir?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. The figure consists of sensors, IoT, tablet, mobile, router, storage. In our daily life, we use the Internet of Things in uh, for data transmission and automation.
Perfect. Next. Can you explain?
Yes, sir. Traditional security mechanisms like firewall signature based intrusion detection systems are often inadequate in detecting involving cyber threats, leading to vulnerabilities in modern
Vulnerabilities.
networks.
Vulnerabilities anala. Okay.
Okay. To
Vulnerabilities.
enhance To enhance security and communication reliability, this research integrates artificial intelligence, machine learning, and error correcting codes, providing proactive and adaptive defense mechanism for IoT environments.
Okay. Next. What are the
Objectives of my study, uh, that is, first one is enhance intrusion detection system using machine learning artificial intelligence for improving threat detection accuracy and reduce false positives. Second one is improve data integrity and communication reliability using ECCs, correcting codes such as Reed, Solomon, and Turbo codes to prevent data loss and corruptions in network transmission. Third one is develop adaptive security framework, utilizes multiple objective optimization and deep learning models to detect, predict, mitigate emerging cyber threats in IoT networks, mainly used through machine learning. Optimize network core techniques by integrating machine learning based strategies to enhance multicast and corporative communications, ensuring secure and efficient data transfer.
perfect. Then coming to literature survey.
Literature survey, uh, um, existing research highlights the limitations of conventional intrusion detection systems, of AI in cybersecurity, and effectiveness of error correcting code in ensuring data integrity. There is a research gap in integrating machine learning, ECC, and multi objective optimization for a comprehensive security approach.
Huh. Perfect. Next.
This is the table. This is the literature review for my base papers of 10 to 15. I have collected a few literature reviews like author, common drawbacks, existing system, proposed system, data sets used, tools and techniques, future works. I need to explain this also.
Yes. No, no, no. No need. Next.
Integrating error correcting codes in network security. First thing, it ensures reliable communications, and we have types, block codes, right? Read, Solomon, BCH, Hamming, convolutional, turbo, LDPC codes. Applications, IoT, wireless network, satellite communications, cryptographic security.
Perfect.
Machine learning and AI for network security. Machine Machine learning and AI techniques, supervised and unsupervised, deep learning, convolutional neural network, and recurrent neural networks, applications, intrusion detection, threat prediction, automated defense, AI driven real time anomaly detection.
Okay. Next explain Rishita.
Yes,
Explain.
sir.
Yeah, next.
Uh, Next, securing IoT. Challenges faced is large attack surface, resource constraints, lack of security protocols, AI-driven threat detection, blockchain-based security, ECC for secure data transmission.
Yes,
So,
these are the challenges you need to solve with the help of a proposed technique in your
yes,
MTech thesis. Rishita,
yes, sir.
perfect. Then
Yes,
explain what are the case studies applications I have explained. Now you
yes, sir.
explain.
Yes, sir. AI-based intrusion detection in IoT, machine learning enhanced security in cloud computing, ECC in satellite and 5G communication, comparative analysis of traditional versus AI driven security. These are the
Perfect.
case studies and applications.
Perfect, Rishita. When do you have MTech presentation thesis?
Uh, in the month of Feb, sir, last
Perfect,
week.
perfect. You ask me any doubt, Rishita, I will explain.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please explain now.
In the existing system, we have currently network security framework primarily on traditional intrusion detection systems, that is IDS, cryptographic techniques and basic error correcting codes, which often fail to adapt to involving cyber threats
Not
and
involving Rishita. Keep in mind, it is evolving
involving,
cyber
sir.
threats. You
Yeah,
are saying wrong, my dear baby. You are
yes, sir.
saying wrong. Evolving cyber threats.
Yes,
There is a
sorry.
difference. Yeah, tell me.
Evolving cyber threats and efficiently handle large scale IoT networks.
Perfect, perfect,
And the drawbacks of this existing system are poor detection of innovative attacks,
perfect.
ineffective feature extraction,
Ah,
limited optimization.
perfect, perfect. You are so outstanding, Rishita, now. Now, in order to avoid the drawbacks of existing system, what is the proposed system we are using?
AI driven security
Perfect,
frameworks
perfect, perfect. Now
uh,
explain.
that integrates machine learning, deep
Yes.
learning, error correcting codes to enhance intrusion detection feature, extraction, and network optimization for secure and reliable IoT communication.
Perfect.
And the advantages of proposed system are enhanced intrusion detection accuracy,
Correct.
optimized feature selection and data processing, improved network security and reliability.
Perfect, perfect. You understood. I have demonstrated with practical. Have you
Yes, sir.
understood, Rishita?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now explain.
Uh, the proposed AI-driven network frameworks combines deep learning, feature extraction, ECC to enhance intrusion detection and network resilience.
Correct. Resilience. You know, resilience, network resilience means how
Uh,
strong the network may be a local area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Once we are providing security for that system. Next.
uh, the system utilizes adaptive particle swarm optimization and multi-objective feature selection to improve security effectiveness.
Effectiveness. Perfect.
Yeah.
Then explain the proposed architecture of your MTech thesis.
Uh,
Now.
we
Yeah.
have taken an input data
Ah,
of IoT network traffic
correct.
and that is featured to extraction and selection.
Correct.
Then then we have gone for machine learning model using AI and deep learning.
Ah,
Next, error correcting codes
correct.
and optimized network security system
Correct.
and also intrusion detection and threat analysis.
Correct.
And the last, the It is secure and reliable communication.
Perfect, Rishita. You are outstanding. Which college are you studying?
Institute of Aeronautical Engineering
Oh,
College.
Institute of Aeronautics. That is IARE.
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. Now you explain the way I have explained the components of proposed architecture. Can you explain now? Can you
Yes, sir.
ask me
We have
doubts?
two layers:
Perfect.
security,
Ah,
ostrich, ost, ost,
orchestration.
orchestration layer,
Ah,
and security enforcement layer.
ah,
First thing, we have AI based reaction agent
correct.
with data sets, models, and security policy. In security orchestry, system model,
Yes,
security manager, IoT, NFV, and
yes.
SDN, and that is sent to IoT domain block, full network of cloud computing network, and management and control block, and VNF blocks, and infrastructure blocks with storage network processing.
Perfect, perfect, Rishita. Now you are in MTech final semester.
Yes, sir.
Perfect, Rishita. Now going, just I have explained, I have a demonstrated practical session. I have shown 2 times, Rishita. Did you
Yes, sir.
remember?
Yes, sir.
Now we explain now.
Experiment setup and evaluation.
Yes.
This system is tested on IoT network
Mm,
datasets,
mm,
which performs accuracy, low reduction,
mm.
false positive rates, and feature optimization.
Perfect.
Uh, ex- my results shows a significant improvement in detecting accuracy from 51 to 0.5% to
Yes.
58.69% and optimized model efficiency.
Perfect.
This is a table for synthetic datasets of network security and code theory research
Yes.
of my
Perfect.
project and
That is the
experiment.
input data set we have taken for our MTech thesis project. Now, experimental performance evaluation.
uh, Experiment results and performance evaluation improves machine learning intrusion detection accuracy, ECC enhanced data integrity in IoT, AI driven security outperforms traditional models.
Perfect. Next.
And this is a figure for execution flow of proposed data
Ah,
and uh,
proposal
with
system. Okay.
proposed system.
Next.
Uh, the figure is shows about model accuracy versus model loss for
For
proposed
proposed.
system.
In x-axis, we have taken epochs, number of iterations the program is performed. In y-axis, we have taken accuracy and loss. How our proposed model is going to perform and get the very good accuracy. See now, in
Yes,
y-axis.
yes, sir.
Yeah, perfect. Next.
Results and discussions.
Yeah,
Finding confirm that AI driven intrusion detection models combined with ECC significantly enhance network security. The system outperforms traditional approaches by reducing
training
training
loss.
reducing training loss, improving classification accuracy, increasing overall robustness.
Next.
The figure shows about uh, per, uh, performance metrics versus EPOS for proposed system. In x-axis we have EPOS, and in the y-axis we have performance metrics. How the graph is shown in the x-axis uh, of the
Um,
model loss and model accuracy percentage.
mm,
Uh, it, it in the improvement in key performance indicates such a accuracy, loss, coverage rate over multiple training epochs, highlighting the efficient effectiveness
um.
of proposed model in network security application.
Perfect. Next comparison of.
And the comparison of existing and proposed network security system has a parameters: accuracy, final training loss, validation loss, time complexity, epoch, interpretability,
Mm,
convergence speed, overfitting risk, robustness, generalization, and we have existing system and proposed system of both the parameters.
Perfect.
Yes. Conclusion and future research direction. This research demonstrate about improvement in network, integrating machine learning, artificial intelligence, error correcting, leading to enhanced intrusion detection accuracy, better learning efficiency, and reducing time complexity. Future research should be focused on optimizing AI driven security models, like exploring quantum resistant algorithms, leveraging emerging technologies like blockchain and edge computing to enhance real time network protection and scalability.
Correct.
And the study introduced a multi-layer security framework that integrates AI and ECCs for reliable IoT communication. Future research will focus on quantum resistant algorithms, federated learning, and decentralized security and blockchain for IoT. Authentic-
Perfect. Authentication.
Authentication. Yes. These are the references collected by me of 15 references.
Perfect. So these are the 15 references. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. You need to tell like that. Everything is perfect, Rishita, right now? Are you able
Yes,
to explain?
yes, sir.
Okay. Can I stop the recording?
Yes, sir.